Let's hit 2 million together. Thanks for being with us. Coming up on Aurea and Alexa's channel.
Run.
Hey guys, it's me Alexa. Maria. Today we're here at Zucobia Drone and Bird Park here in Kalumpang, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. So this is an exciting day because marami kami mga explore na mga activities and attractions sa loob. Like animal feeding, photo op, zouk ride, zing ride, and andito din yung first and only camel ride in the Philippines.
I'd say I'm just really excited about the adventurous and educational experience that we're going to have. So without further ado, let's go inside. Let's go. Guys, look at the parrot. I was so shocked about how they look so amusing. Like, look at those. It's actually my first time to see ng ganto kalaking bird. They look so lovely. They remind me of the cartoons Rio. I used to watch that when I was a kid. And, ayun, ang cute. Ito talaga yung nilulook forward ko, yung mag-stand sa hand ko yung bird. Kasi I've been seeing that all over social media. Sabi ko, when kaya ako magkakaroon ng ganong experience? And now it's the time. Ako na lang.
Sige yan.
Ang ayagan lang.
Yes po, mabait naman sa mami. Ganyan lang.
Ang cute. Magaan lang. Ay, ang ganda. Pwede ko ba hawakan siya?
Yes po.
Ay, Hachi. Ay, kikis ka niya. Okay, so we're gonna take selfies with this bird. Among all the birds na nakikita nyo guys, this one is the friendliest, I would say. Eto. Dito po lang tayo sa bird feathery animals. Parang ayoko nang umuwi. Kami ni Aurea, no, bata pa talaga kami, nag-zoo na kami. Pero hindi kagaya nito na nakakapag-encounter talaga sa animals. I'm so excited for that one. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, kaka-watch ko lang ng Swapped. Yun nasa Netflix. Kamukha ng bird na yun, oh. Ayun. So, they handed us this food na para sa bird. Okay, so we're gonna feed them. Okay, close Kasi
muna.
baka tukain ka na.
Okay. I'm pretty scared. It tickles. Kapag ano, Ay! Uwi ko na po to. Akin na to. Akin na tong bird na to. Nag-iisa siya sa akin. Ouch. Ay! So, Ate Alexa's gonna try feeding the ostrich. Kamukha ni Ate Alexa pag ano, nakikimarites. Kasi humahaba yung leg niya. So, masabi ko, mas nagustuhan kong i-feed yung mga birds. Akala ko sasama yung fingers ko. Oh, no. So, I'm not really that prepared, guys, para mag-feed ng ostriches. Kasi medyo nata-terrified ako kasi medyo, big sila.
Nakahabol daw yan.
Malaki yung beak niya.
Mga animals na makikita niyo dito. Ay, endemic. Aabutin niya po.
Ay, kinuha niya.
Ay, para siyang Gen Z. Kapag kumakain na ganun. Ayun o. Pinakita niya na.
Pengi naman kami. Wala na.
Mamaya bigyan ka niya.
Wala na. Ganonin yung balat.
So, we're gonna be walking through the maze. And, unfortunately, wala tayong kasama. So, sabi ni ate, tayo lang daw ang mag-iikot dito sa maze. And then, we gotta find the exit. Hala, ayan na nga. Which way? Which way? Is it this way? That way? Or that way?
Nililigaw tayo. Dito tayo.
Oo nga, dito tayo
Bayan
guys.
na ang daan.
Hello, guys.
Nasa maze nga tayo. Hindi ako nagkamali.
Yeah.
Hala guys, dead end.
Dito.
Umiikot na ata tayo.
Balik tayo mo damit.
Makakalabas pa kaya kami kapag may ka-date ka? E de, isang oras kayo dito.
We survived! And this is what I was waiting for. Full experience, Zouk ride.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the bread.
Don't forget to use my Klook promo code Alexa Travels Klook for discounts.
Like a Moby, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Okay, so we're now headed to the barn. I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's just ask Ate Alexa. Chi! Ang pangalok po ng heta.
Run.
May spikes, gumaganon. Yeah, I can feel that too. Like, nafe-feel ko pa yung heartbeat niya. So we're gonna feed miniature donkey. Ooh! Another one na connected na naman sa cartoons. Kaka-watch ko lang ng Shrek. And then, alam niyo ba guys, ang funny ni Donkey doon. So, let's feed this donkey. Parang may food pa yata sa mouth. Okay, so we're gonna feed this camel.
Rare yan, ha? Rare.
Rare? Camel ride. Parang ano siya, medyo thrilling for me. Because this is my first time. And, sana maging smooth yung ride natin. Ano po yun ni ano? Kuya, may nasa ala. Matik na tumama yung mukha ko sa alam. Oh my gosh, ang tangkad ko na. Yan! Thank you for the ride. Ano pong pangalan niya? Naka 1 round tayo. Thank you, Narcy, for the ride. Pwede ko na pala ito gamitin na pangpasok sa school kasi nga mahal yung gasolina. Okay, no reaction tayo for today. Ah! That was a great experience. So, we're gonna try our second ride here in Zing Ride. Okay, so let's go. Pretty excited for this. Hi! Ah! Ang hangin! Oh my gosh! Yay! So, it was amazing kasi like, while you were ziplining, nakikita mo yung view from this area. So, I guess my top tier na experience natin from all the attractions that we've did is yung camel ride.
Ay, me too!
That's my top tier. Like, bro, if you're gonna come here in Zootopia, you better try that. What about you, Ate Alexa?
I recommend din guys na itry nyo yung camel ride because dito lang sa Zootopia yan, yung may camel. So, ayun, unforgettable din sa akin yung experience na yun, yung pag-ride ko sa camel. And hindi pa ako nakasakay ng horse, pero nag-camel na agad ako. Don't forget to use my Klook promo code Alexa Travels Klook for discounts.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I just really had a great time like taking photos with the animals, getting to feed them, and then like riding the rides, and then it was overall a 10/10 experience. So I think that's it guys for this video. We hope that you guys like it as much as we did. So that's it guys. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Bye! Mwah.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be